Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to troubleshoot unable to receive fax issues on your Brother MFC-J5855DW.
This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. We will begin by checking for dial tone. From the home screen, press the fax icon on the touchscreen. Now press hook and listen for dial tone. Press hook again to disconnect, then press the home key. If there is no dial tone, follow the link on the screen to learn how to troubleshoot for no dial tone issues. Otherwise, we'll need to verify your receive mode settings. Press Settings, then press All Settings. Now press Fax. Press Setup Receive, and then press Receive Mode. Select the fax only option. Press Ring Delay, and then select the 0 option. Press the home key to return to the home screen. Next, you will need to change your machine's compatibility settings. Press Settings, then press All Settings. Now press the down arrow to reveal the Initial Setup option. Press Initial Setup. Arrow down again and press Compatibility. Then select the Basic option and press the Home key. Next, have a test fax sent to your Brother machine. If the fax is received successfully, then the issue is resolved. If not, disconnect the phone cord from your machine and verify that you are using a 2-wire phone cord. If you're using a 4-wire cord, replace it with a 2-wire cord like the one supplied with your machine. Have another test fax sent to your machine. Once the fax is received successfully, the issue is resolved. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.